Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making some vegetables ital stew, and yeah, we're just gonna jump straight into this video guys, because yes, so let's get started. Right, so over here guys, I've got a list of ingredients that I'm gonna use in my stew, and you already know no salt will be added in my ital stew. So I've got some cooked kidney beans, butter beans, coconut, okra, plantain, spring onions, scotch bonnet pepper, purple onion, garlic, bell pepper. And I've got my spices that I'm going to use: that onion powder, some vegan stock, the bavilion, some black peppers, and just keep some pimento berries, and just keeping it simple but delicious, because we're going to prepare this in coconut milk, right? So right now guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this coconut ready to blend and get all my vegetables cut. I'm going to add some potato in there also. Yes, I'm going to add it potato and pumpkin. Oh, I forget about that. So yes guys, I'm going to show you that as I go along. So yes, because without pumpkin in the ital stew, it's not gonna nice. Let me tell you that this pumpkin, yes, you need pumpkin in the ital stew, especially vegetable ital stew. No meat, meatless. Yes. All right then guys, so let me just jump straight into this video. I'm just gonna prep everything and then come back. All right, so over here guys, I've got my pot on, and I'm gonna add a bit of coconut oil in there. This is 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil, because I don't need a lot of oil. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add in my garlic. So this is just a nice meatless vegetable stew, which is so good, you know. Yeah, for if you want to do a transition to a plant-based food, this is the great way to start. So I'm gonna add the rest of seasoning guys: bell pepper, spring onion, scotch bonnet pepper, and white onion into the pot, and I'm gonna let this saute off for 2 minutes before I add the rest of the ingredients. So after 2 minutes guys, I don't want the seasoning to saute anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the pumpkin and the potato in. I'm not using any carrot, just yes, because this is gonna allow this to cook. So we're gonna add some spices in there. You can see guys, bavilion into some hot water to dissolve, and added it to the pot. Right, so this is my vegan stock. I'm just gonna add that in, give it a mix, make sure everything is combined. Yes, smells so good. So now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the kidney beans in, and I'm also gonna add the butter beans in. Make sure everything is mixed together. Look at that guys, wow. I'm gonna add the okra last, because you know okra and the plantain, it's cooked quick, right? So you just need to add it that last minute. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna add some coconut milk. I'm gonna add this is like 400 ml of coconut milk. Yes, and I'm gonna bring this to a boil for like 4 minutes before I added the okra and stuff, because by then You don't want the pumpkin and the potato to cook, so it could be mushy. You don't want that, right? So now guys, this is how it looks at the moment. Wow, look at that guys. Yes. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add my okra in. This is the final stage. And my plantain, guys, it tastes so delicious. So guys, after 4 minutes, this is done. Look at that guys. Wow, the best. So I'm gonna turn the stove off, and this is ready. Yes, meatless ital stew with beans, carrot, pumpkin, potato, okra, plantain, kidney beans, butter beans. Wow. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate up and then you will see the final product. Okay, so guys, here's the finished product of my meatless vegetable ital stew, and I'm having it with some steamed greens, callaloo. I think in America they said collard, whatever. Some vegan potato salad, broccoli, and some quinoa and rice mixed together. If you want to see a video of how I cook my rice and quinoa together, guys, please drop a comment down below. So guys, I just want to say thanks to each and every one who subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm grateful and I'm thankful. Yes. And guys, just go on, like, share, comment. Please turn your post notification bell on so whenever I upload, you won't miss the video. So guys, no go and big up on yourself, and you know already, health is wealth, right? Stay blessed, stay safe, eat healthy, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Until then, bye guys.